Hey there, DIYers and pros alike! Welcome to today's video where I'm going to share some of the best kept secrets from my years of experience as a maintenance technician in one of the USA's top hardware stores. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, I've got some insider tips to make your life easier. From the best tools you need in your toolkit to those little tricks that can save you time and money, we've got it all covered today. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the tools that every maintenance pro or weekend warrior should always have on hand. A quality multi-bit screwdriver, a durable pair of pliers, drill machine, welding plant, tool set, soldering iron, digital multimeter, of course, a good utility knife are absolute must-haves. If you want to buy any of these products, visit our website. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. The website link will be found in the description of the video.